Imagine a world where computers can paint like Van Gogh, compose music like Mozart, or write stories like J.K. Rowling. This is the promise of generative AI, a powerful technology that's rapidly changing the world. This revolutionary technology is transforming industries from art and entertainment to healthcare and finance. However, this exciting potential comes with its own set of challenges. At its core, generative AI is all about teaching machines to be creative. How does this seemingly magical process work? It all starts with data. Massive data sets are fed into a generative AI model. The model learns patterns and relationships within the data. It then generates new content that resembles the original data, but is not an exact copy. Generative AI is like a versatile artist, capable of expressing itself through various mediums. Just as an artist can switch between painting, sculpting, and digital art, generative AI can create text, images, audio, and even video content. This technology is transforming the creative landscape, offering new tools and possibilities for artists, writers, musicians, and filmmakers alike. Let's explore some of the most prominent types of generative AI and see how they are reshaping various creative fields. Text generation. Imagine a computer that can write poems, scripts, or even news articles. These models can assist writers by generating ideas, drafting content, or even completing entire pieces of writing. Text generation models like GPT-4 can produce human-quality text that's both coherent and creative. They can be used in various applications, from chatbots and virtual assistants to content creation and academic research. Image generation. From breathtaking landscapes to photorealistic portraits, image generation models like DALL-E can conjure up stunning visuals from mere text descriptions. Audio generation. Need a custom soundtrack for your video, or a unique sound effect for your game? Audio generation models can create realistic and original sounds, pushing the boundaries of music composition and sound design. Video generation. While still in its early stages, video generation is poised to revolutionize filmmaking and animation. Imagine generating entire movies with just a few lines of text. These are just a few examples of the diverse capabilities of generative AI. From text and image generation to audio and video creation, this technology is transforming the way we create and consume content. As this technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative and awe-inspiring applications to emerge. The future of generative AI is bright, and it holds the potential to revolutionize not just the creative industries, but many other fields as well. As we delve further, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such informative content. In the world of generative AI, certain models have risen to stardom, captivating the public imagination with their extraordinary abilities. Let's meet some of these groundbreaking models. GPT-4. Developed by OpenAI, GPT-4 is a text generation powerhouse capable of understanding and generating human-like text. It can write poems, code, scripts, and more. DALL-E. Also from OpenAI, DALL-E transforms text descriptions into vivid images, revolutionizing art and design. From realistic images to fantastical creatures, DALL-E makes it possible. Mid-Journey. This model focuses on artistic and dreamlike aesthetics, offering unique tools for visually stunning art. Known for its artistic aesthetics, Mid-Journey provides endless possibilities. Sora. Developed by OpenAI, Sora creates realistic and imaginative video scenes from text prompts. These models represent the cutting edge of generative AI, enabling us to explore new frontiers in art and technology. Let's now talk about some practical applications of generative AI. Generative AI is already transforming various industries, enhancing efficiency, creativity, and innovation. Let's explore some practical applications. Art and design. Generative AI empowers artists with new tools for creative expression, generating unique artwork and assisting in design tasks. Marketing and advertising. Generative AI crafts personalized marketing campaigns, making efforts more effective and engaging. Healthcare. From drug discovery to personalized medicine, generative AI revolutionizes healthcare by analyzing vast medical data. Finance. Generative AI analyzes market trends and assesses risk, making financial systems more efficient and secure. As this technology matures, we can expect even wider adoption and more innovative applications, reshaping industries and redefining the future of work. The future of generative AI is filled with exciting possibilities and groundbreaking innovations. As technology advances, we can anticipate even more sophisticated and versatile AI systems. Imagine AI that can create entire virtual worlds, revolutionize education with personalized learning experiences, and solve complex global problems like climate change through advanced simulations. Moreover, collaborative AI could become a reality, where multiple AI systems work together seamlessly to tackle multifaceted challenges. With ongoing research and development, the potential applications of generative AI are limited only by our imagination. As we stand on the brink of this technological revolution, it's essential to foster a culture of innovation while ensuring ethical standards guide our progress. Generative AI is not just a tool, it's a partner in creativity and problem-solving, paving the way for a future where human ingenuity and artificial intelligence work hand in hand to build a better world. Stay tuned as we dive into the concerns and challenges that come with these advancements. Generative AI offers immense potential, but presents significant challenges and ethical concerns. One major concern is misuse, such as creating harmful content like deepfakes. It can also generate phishing emails that deceive victims. Another concern is job displacement due to automation. Ethical considerations and responsible development are crucial to mitigate risks. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe to our channel for more science and technology-related content.